rocket ship zooming through the sky. Oh, why did we go? She want to go downstairs.
Are you blocking?
Yeah, because she went backwards. And I'm like, no, he dropped her. Look at her off the cup. And then she like, and then I said, look, pick her up.
Move! She gonna mess up the clothes party. She gonna. But I know she pee anyway. Really, that's good. Hey. No, I'll clean it. I don't know. But Mama, you just started. So what do you do this? Oh. What's she gonna do now? What do you do? I know, but once now, everyone on the road, we can start.